Access to healthcare can be complicated. Many people experience system barriers, leading to a sense of powerlessness and lack of control. While Canada's healthcare system is one of the best in the world, people still find that they often have to go to great lengths to access the care they need.
What matters to me is accessibility. I like to be able to go places when I want to go places. That's what I want more than anything.
What matters to me is a matter of equality. The government, everybody needs to treat human beings as equals. A user, a non-user, old, young, crippled, crazy, it doesn't matter. We're all the same people. We deserve the same kind of health care.
What matters to me in healthcare is to have a healthy me so that I can have a healthier family and a healthier community.